So I'm up on a 12-story apartment building that we're installing a Toughroof on at Victoria Park and Lawrence, and as you can see, it's a nice view of downtown Toronto. You can actually see the CN Tower, should be right about there. But you can see the buildings around downtown Toronto, and what I'm going to be talking about is the carbon footprint of the city. What a carbon footprint is that each building has energy consumption, while the measurement they make as a footprint around the city. Not actually a footprint, it's just a measurement and the way to explain how much energy we consume per building or per home, per factory. Now, in North America, we have some of the largest carbon footprints. We consume the most energy. We're energy hogs. We really need to reduce that. We need to reduce our carbon footprint. A lot of companies come to us to put on a Toughroof because they know it's the whitest roof out there. What happens with a white roof is because of the reflectivity, the HVAC equipment runs a lot more energy efficient. Plus, because it's white, it doesn't radiate heat into the building, so the inside of the building stays cooler, which in turn, you don't have to use your HVAC equipment to cool down the building because it doesn't heat up. So that's the great thing about a white roof. And what happens, it's like a snowball effect. We do a building like this, it's white. We do a building there, some buildings, right? These buildings over here. You start doing it around each city, and what happens is you do a single roof, it cools down the air around it. You do the roof beside it, the building beside it. All these buildings start popping up with white roofs. Well, what happens is these roofs are not giving to the urban heat island effect anymore. All the HVAC equipment is working efficiently, so then each building gets a carbon footprint reduction, but in general, the city itself, if we were to change all these roofs to white, the city itself, the whole carbon footprint of the city will be reduced. So each building works together to reduce the carbon footprint. But we really need to do that. We're energy hogs in North America. We really need to change from that into not using as much energy. And these white roofs for buildings are the answer for HVAC equipment for running more efficiently and keeping the inside of the building cooler in the summertime.